Okay, so there's enough meat on there to get this 4-inch clay to a PVC band on here, and then we can hook some Schedule 40 PVC up to it and put a trap in there. It's kind of funky because the Y's off on an angle a little bit, but I'm sure we'll get something on there to work. Okay, finish tightening that up. So we get this adapter in there and the trap. Okay, so this pipe isn't really coming up really straight. It's all crooked. It's pretty bad. So I wanted to put a T here and have a clean out here so you can see down into the, down into the main. But it's too crooked, so it'll be crooked on the floors. Plus you can back snake it from the storm trap. So we're just gonna make a swing joint here so we can get this trap, the pipe from the trap, to come up straight. Or else the strainer will be crooked and people will be tripping over it and tile guy will be all mad. I'm just going to use this for a clue. That's where we want to be going. Like so. Okay. Schedule 40, 3-inch PVC street 45. We want that to be straight, so the arm going to the trap is straight. That means the trap rise will come up straight. So, there we go. So now we hook this up. This part will come up straight. That's really what we want. Oh, golly. Straight. I want to be level that way and that way. So we're gonna have to put some stone in there to steady it. First I'm gonna get need here. 11 1/4. Put some stone in there and set it the right height, and then we'll backfill it with the dirt. Good to go. Okay. The stone hopefully will hold that trap from moving up or down or crooked. Let's throw the dirt back in that can move. I don't want it coming up crooked. So that'll fill in some voids there and hold her steady. And carefully start putting the dirt back in there. Use a sledgehammer so tamp that in there, but this stuff's so mucky, it's tamping itself.